So now let's do example 5. Now you're probably thinking, now with the same URL, it'll probably do the same thing, right? Well, if you go ahead and run the SQL scan, this is the result that I got, and we deal with the same problem again. But sometimes we don't actually need to use SQL map to perform this injection. Sometimes we just can do stuff like this. Into the URL, we can inject 1 or 1 is equal to 1, so that we basically say, enumerating through the table saying that the ID is valid and it is equal to a value, or we can show the other values of the previous results like we've seen on our terminal. Let's go ahead and try this. So if we copy this that you see here, this is the SQL code we'll use. So we don't need to do the SQL scan. What we do need to do is inject this into the ID parameter. So that's what we're injecting. So let's go back and put that in the URL. So go ahead, add that in the URL and add 1 or 1 is equal to 1. And there we go. We can see here we've got all the results from the table.